Hey man, what's up YouTube? It's like 6 o'clock on a Saturday evening. I'm still at it. In the basement of a reno we're doing. It was an illegal basement. They never pulled a permit or anything like that. So there was a bathroom. In this area you can see the toilet hole stuff. So, this is where the walls were all around, excuse me. So we tore all the walls out. It was walls all across here. There was another room right here. So we took all that out and now we're left with this. So they want us to fill in the holes. They said, it don't gotta be pretty, just throw it down there. So this reno was taking some time. We've been at this house, not constantly, but we've been at this house for 3 months and it's just taken way too long. Change orders and add-ons and things like that. So I'm working this weekend to get it all done. So that way, no work Monday. So I'm work the weekend and get all this cut in. And over there, this whole basement, get it cut in. And we did the tile floor upstairs. So I'm gonna be grouting that tonight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come grout this. And then yeah, we'll be done. Besides that, I gotta put some trim around the window. I didn't have my chop saw, so I put the window in, just gotta put the trim up. And this is all the electrical wires that was ripped out. I didn't do that. I mean, not to say I would have done better or worse, but waiting on an electrician to come in to tidy things up. But anyway, just wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing. I didn't put up a snow video. I didn't forget. I got the footage. It's just hectic, man. But yeah. So hit me up. Peace.